Para iwas heartbreak, set your budget bago pa mag-site visit. Alam naman natin yan actually. Tingnan mo, pag 200 pesos ang budget mo for lunch, saan ka pupunta? Jollibee or Max? If you are planning to buy a new phone and ang budget mo is 10,000 pesos, pupunta ka ba sa Apple Store? If for smaller items, nagsaset tayo ng budget, di lalo na dapat if bahay ang bibili natin. After all, millions ang price niyan ngayon. When looking for a property, one way to set the budget is by using the 30% rule. This rule states that your monthly amortization should not be more than 30% of your gross monthly income. Let's say your salary right now is 50,000 pesos. 30% of 50,000 is 15,000 pesos. This means na yung monthly amortization nung kukunin mong property should not be more than 15,000 pesos. Knowing this, you can now tell your agent na pakita lang sa inyo yung mga project na pasok doon sa 15K a month, yung monthly amortization. So ano benefits niyan? 1, you save time. Kasi yung tamang projects lang yung pupuntahan nyo. And 2, pag nagustuhan mo yung property, you won't be heartbroken. Kasi alam mo, napasok sa budget mo yung property bago pa kayo mag-site visit.